Team 2338 here at Ford was founded in 2007 with one goal in mind. First is for everyone. During the 2024 season, our team introduced Second Gear, a program aimed to provide meaningful hands-on experience and leadership opportunities to the underclassmen of our team. I was one of the leaders though. I learned meaningful skills that I could apply to the competition robot and outside of robotics. Second Gear is just one way we mentor within our team. That mentorship extends outward towards the younger generation through FIRST LEGO. We aim to inspire the younger generation to join FIRST and join the STEM field.
When I was younger, I attended a Girl Scout workshop hosted by 2338, and now I get to help plan those same events. It's so rewarding to me seeing girls gain confidence and realize that they belong in STEM, even if it is often a male-dominated field. At these workshops and camps, we introduce girls to our FLL program, teach them how to work power tools, drive an FRC robot, and explore STEM hands-on, teaching them that STEM is for everyone. Being part of these programs helps remind me why STEM education is so important.
Team 2338 produces over 200 STEM kits every month, delivering them to local underfunded elementary schools, ensuring equal access to hands-on STEM education in our community.
I think the STEM kits give the kids an opportunity that they wouldn't necessarily have outside of school. They learn things for science, they apply it to other areas. Today with our activity on propulsion, someone related it to space. Even though the STEM kit wasn't about space, they made those connections, which is amazing.
Equity, diversity, and inclusion are really central for our mission. Through our EDI workshops, our adaptive toys, Women in STEM meetings, and CHUP, which stands for the Community Helping Utility Companion to Kickball, to ensure accessibility for all students. That commitment has led us beyond our community.
Our team worked with Illinois legislators to establish Illinois First Day and continues to advocate nationally for FIRST.
It helped me raise the profile of FIRST robotics in the U.S. Congress. When we introduce these things, one of the things we do is we send out an email to all the different members of Congress, and we get co-sponsors from not only Illinois but Tennessee and other places. FIRST robotics is nationwide, but the recognition of it is not uniform. It's one of the great things that Congress can do to draw attention to something positive going on.
We believe impact grows when it's shared. By building tools like Gear Scout, supporting other teams with meaningful resources, and hosting events such as Week 0 Warm-Up and Kickoff, we enable teams around the world to succeed, not just as builders of robots, but as builders of communities.
Everything we do, from mentoring students to shaping policy, is driven by one belief.
FIRST is for everyone.